Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I am going to make another amazing rum-based cocktail for you. The one and only Hurricane Cocktail. The Hurricane Cocktail is beautifully concocted with dark rum, white rum, passion fruit, and citrus juices. I hope you will like this recipe. I will make this cocktail in a beautiful hurricane glass. So let's start by filling the glass with fresh ice cubes. Always use fresh ice cubes, as fresh ice cubes melt slowly and increases the life of the cocktail. I will pour 1 ounce of white rum. You can use any light-bodied white rum of your choice. 1 ounce of dark rum. You will be surprised to know that caramel is used to give color to the dark rum. Half an ounce of grenadine syrup. Grenadine is a pomegranate-flavored syrup, and generally used to give color to the cocktail. Half an ounce of passion fruit syrup. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. 1 ounce of lime mix. Lime mix is less sour and thinner than lemon juice. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. And 2 ounces of orange juice. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Now I will shake all the ingredients without ice, and slowly pour into the glass. This method is known as mix method in mixology terminology. And if you want to know more about this technique, please feel free to write to me. You are watching Spice Trail. I will be happy if you make this cocktail at home, and share your experience with me. Now I will garnish this beautiful hurricane cocktail with a dehydrated orange slice. The classic hurricane cocktail is ready for you. Cheers for your amazing life. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.